In this video, we will demonstrate how to rotate images using GIMP. To begin, I have GIMP open with an image. To rotate the entire image, select from the top toolbar Image, then go down and expand the Transform menu. Here, there are a few options. You can flip the image horizontally or vertically, similar to looking at the image in a mirror. Or you can rotate the image, which is effectively turning it around, either 90 or 180 degrees at a time, through the preset options. There is also an option to rotate an arbitrary amount, which may result in an increase in the canvas size depending on how far you rotate it. I will demonstrate how each of these affect this abstract image.